Are you irreparably damaging your iPhone's battery? Here are some tips to make sure you have the best battery health. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and let's talk about batteries. There are a few ways that you can damage the cells inside of your iPhone's battery, and I'm going to talk about how to avoid them so that you have the best possible battery health on your iPhone. Let's go ahead and get into it. The first tip is to avoid high temperatures. These can come from a myriad of reasons, including environmental or just during charging, but you want to avoid high temperatures to get the best battery health for your phone. Apple says that your iPhone can safely operate up to 95 degrees, and beyond that, it can start to damage the cells inside of your iPhone's battery. You could be playing games while out in the sun, leave your phone in the sun too long, or even fast charging can raise the temperature a bit too much, so use it sparingly. But anything that raises the temperature of your phone too much can cause damage to your phone's battery cells. Next, don't deplete your battery all the way. This totally used to be a thing. Users were encouraged to drop their batteries all the way to zero, then fully recharge to help recalibrate, so when you'd see a percentage, you knew it was more accurate. But in recent and modern batteries, this is not a thing anymore, and dropping your phone all the way down to zero can damage the cells in your battery. This can be one of the biggest killers to phone batteries, so if you can avoid it, do. Charge your phone regularly throughout the day instead of waiting for it to get all the way down to zero and get longer battery life. Finally, don't charge your phone up to 100% if you plan to store it. If you're going to take your phone and put it into its box and put it on a shelf, don't leave it at 100%. Drop your phone to maybe 50% or even 75% battery life, then turn it off and then store it. Putting your phone at 100%, turning it off, and storing it can also hurt those batteries. Look, batteries are complicated, and they're an expendable resource. The more you use them, the more they deplete, and eventually they're going to be spent and need to be replaced. With good, regular battery management, you can get easily 18 to 30 months of good use from your battery before it needs to replace. And Apple now has affordable battery replacement options when the time does come to replace your battery. On average, after 2 years of use, you should see your battery health at around 80%, give or take. But as long as you don't do anything crazy, like leave it in your hot car for too long, or anything else is going to get that temperature really high, you regularly drop the battery to zero, you should get solid use out of your phone. Let me know what you guys think. If you want more tips, let me know on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and stay tuned for more videos.